Hello guys, welcome to this live stream. So in this live stream, I will basically talk about how to actually encode your video, whatever video that you upload inside your server, how to encode it inside Fluent-FFmpeg library in Node.js and Express, and then you can live stream it using Dash protocol. Dash protocol stands for dynamic. If you just write here dash protocol, it is used whenever you are building a, so let's suppose live streaming website. You want to stream your content. Let's suppose you are building a course website. So whenever you want to host videos inside the server, this is called as MPEG dash. So what is dash protocol? Dynamic adaptive streaming over HTTP, also known as MP dash, is an adaptive bitrate streaming technique that enables high quality streaming of media content over the internet. So this simply means that if your internet connection is very low, then it will automatically encode your video into different bit rates and qualities. So it will automatically switch to uh, in YouTube also you have various qualities available, 1080p, 240p. So in our code, guys, basically we'll use Fluent-FFmpeg library, and we will actually build out encode our video files to our different qualities: 1080p, 640, 1920, Full HD, 854. And after encoding it to different qualities and bit rates, we will basically use this dash protocol to actually switch back to these bit rates and qualities whenever the device connection is little bit weak, or if the user internet connection is strong, then we will show the user full HD video. So similar to YouTube. So I will basically build out this complete application in Fluent-FFmpeg using Node.js and Express. All the source code, guys, is given in the description of the video. If you want the final structure of the source code, you can buy the full source code from PayPal in United States dollar or Stripe in Indian rupees. So let's start the video. So first of all, let me just make a new directory here. I will call this as encode video. I will cd into this and open it inside VS Code. You will basically see the directory is empty. Now we just need to initialize our package.json file. So npm init-y. So this will initialize our package.json file, and we need to install some packages, guys. So for now installing the packages, we need the first package to be Fluent-FFmpeg, and which makes easy for developers to use FFmpeg. And then ffmpeg-static. This is actual module, guys, which comes with the FFmpeg binaries. User don't need FFmpeg installed. It will automatically install FFmpeg in the local environment. So these two packages are required for this application, and just install this. And also we will need Express web server, guys, in order to host that video in the hash dash video player. So npm I express, also install this also. So now we will actually use this encoder, guys. I will show you step by step how you can write this encoder to actually encode your files into different qualities and bit rates. So here, first of all, you need to make app.js file, and you just need to transfer whatever video that you are streaming. Let me stream this video. I copy this video. You can take any video, for example, and let me paste it inside my directory. So this video file, we are taking it as example, guys. You will see that, and we need to convert this into different qualities. So for doing that, we will actually need ffmpeg. So we will include the ffmpeg static module that we installed, and then we also need the ffmpeg Fluent-FFmpeg module, Fluent-FFmpeg. And then we will actually set the path, set ffmpeg path, and we will set it to ffmpeg static. So these are basically the binaries, guys, which makes it easy for accessing ffmpeg without having to install. If the user doesn't contain ffmpeg, then this is a very useful module. And then we will actually provide the input path, which video we need to encode. We will be encoding this video, which we call this as video.mp4. If you see, sorry, this is input.mp4. And after that, we will actually say the output path. And here we will actually create a directory, guys, which is output dash slash output.mpd. mpd is a very special file, guys, which contains information about all the, if you just search what is mpd file, it's a media representation description file, which is used to hold the information on the various streams and bandwidths they are associated with. In your video source attribute, you point to the MPD file instead to the media file. So whenever we play the file, guys, inside Express, we will actually point to this file, which will actually contain all the information about different bit rates and quality. So now this file will be automatically created by FFmpeg. So this process happens, guys, whenever you upload any video to YouTube or Facebook, Twitter, any social media network. They basically do this process. They encode your video into different bit rates and qualities, and then basically they store inside their server, and then they serve your video in the video player. So here we will define the scale options inside square brackets. So you can basically encode your video into different qualities. So we'll scale it to, first of all, 1280 into 720 colon and 640. Different qualities are there, guys, which is scale. This is full HD 1920 by 180. Then it's 854 by 480. You can add more qualities, and then we will simply check which video codec we will use here. We will use the libx264, which is software coder in FFmpeg, and here we will provide the options 264 options, and here this options will be key int 24 and min dash key int 24 no scenario. These are the options that you need to pass to this command, guys. Scene cut, sorry, scene cut. You can pause the video and write this, which is key int 24 min key int no scene cut. And then we need to provide the video bit rates, in which bit rates the video will be encoded. But there various bit rates are there, guys, inside the square brackets, which is 500, which controls the quality of the video, guys. Bitrate, as you all know, 500k, 100k, then we have 2000k, and then we have 4000k. So as the bitrate increases, the size of the video increases as well, the quality of the video increases. So you can provide more bit rates, and now we will basically call the base library of FFmpeg, and then we will provide the input file, which is input path, which is our file here, which is this one, input.mp4. And after that, guys, it contains a function called as video filters. We will call this function and basically provide our scale options. We are basically providing the scale options that we defined right here. We will encode this video, and then we will use this codec, video codec, which is the video codec that we defined. And then we will basically add a option by using this function add option. We will define this option here, x-x264 opts, and then this is actually the options that so these options will be there, and then we will say the output options. What will be the output options here? We will basically provide this output option -b v, and this is the video bit rates. We will provide the first bit rate here like this, and then we have various which format you need to convert this video to. We need to convert this into dash format, which will basically be able to stream this video into different bit rates and qualities. For live streaming it, you need to put here dash, and then output will be the output path which we created. And so when this ends, guys, this callback function will execute, and in the callback function we can simply say that dash encoding complete. That's all. So now your encoding is complete, guys. Basically, after this, now we simply need to run this by calling the run method. So that's all that you need to do inside this file. So now once you run this file, guys, a output folder, we need to create this output folder first of all. Output underscore dash before running the script. And if you now run the script, guys, basically node app.js, and now if you see, basically it will encode your video file, and it will take some time. And after that encoding complete, you will see that dash encoding complete. If you check the folder, it will basically segment your video, guys, into different parts. It will basically chunk your videos into different segments, different qualities. And basically this file output.mpd file, which contain manifest file, which will contain all this information inside this. Now we just need to play this file in the browser using dash protocol, and for this we need to create an express server. So you will see it contains a XML code right here, and it contains information about various qualities, bit rates, and it will tell you when the browser will execute this, they will automatically detect the browser internet speed of the user, and depending upon that they will serve the video file it in which quality as well. So this is the actual dash output.mpd file, and now to serve this file we will actually create an index.js file, and here we will initialize our express server, and we will start our express app. We will listen this app on 5000, or we can say 3000, and then we will simply make this folder as static. So express.static public, we will make a folder called as public, guys, and just make a public folder right here, and just shift this to this public folder, this output underscore dash, that's all. So this public folder is static, and now inside this public folder we need to make a index.html file which will be served, and this will be a simple HTML file basically, which will be actually be showing up. So here we will actually be playing this dash file, mpd file. So for doing this we need to include the CDN first of all of dash. So you can basically copy this and paste it. So you can call this as dash video player. So dash, you can search this dash min CDN. So basically dash JS, you can copy this CDN from here. This is, I think it's their official website is this dash.js. It's a MPG dash protocol, reliable implementation. So dash.js, we are using this to actually stream our video. So now to stream the video, guys, it's very simple. We will call a heading, and it will call as dash video player. And now we will simply have a video tag, and inside the video tag we will actually have an attribute which is data dash JS player. We will autoplay this video file whenever user loads the page, and we will show the controls as well. And basically in the source tab, source tag, we will have a source. So source will be output underscore dash, and this file will be output.mpd. This file we need to play, and this type will be application slash dash plus XML. This is the actual type of the file. That's all. So if you now play this, if you start the server, guys, first of all, just say node on index.js. So your server will be started on this port number, which is 3000. If I try to play the file will play, guys. You will not notice a huge amount of difference. The file will automatically play. But this makes it very much easy, guys, if you are developing a live streaming website, and this technique is very much necessary. Whenever you receive uploads from videos from users, you first of all need to encode that by using the script that I provided you by Fluent.FFMPEG into different qualities, bit rates and qualities, and then serve it using this file, which is output.mpd file. So this makes sure that your bandwidth is preserved, your hosting, but wherever you are hosting, your bandwidth is preserved, and unnecessarily you are not basically wasting your bandwidth You are basically serving the video based upon the user internet connection. So this was a tutorial, guys, on which we built a video encoder inside FFmpeg. And thank you very much for watching this video. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.